Five fundamental positions of arms and feet. Five fundamental positions of arms. First position, raise arms vertical in the front of the chest. Second position, open up arms sideward, place below shoulder level with a graceful curve. Third position, raise arms overhead while other arms remains in second position. Fourth position, raise one arm in the front of the chest in a half circle while one arm remains overhead. Fifth position, raise both arms overhead in a graceful curve. Five fundamental positions of arms. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position. Five fundamental positions of feet. First position, bring heels close to touch, toes apart. Second position, bring feet apart sideward. Third position, bring the heel of the one foot touch the instep of the other foot. Fourth position, bring the foot in the front of the other foot to walk straight. Fifth position, bring the heel of the one foot to touch the toe, the other foot. Five fundamental positions of feet. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position.